What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We're actually headed to a junkyard near us, pull apart. I'm going to try, there's a couple Jettas and GTIs and things there. Hopefully they got some good stuff on them. My goal is to get a rear seat out of one of the Mark 6 GTIs, throw it in my car. Hopefully it's in good shape. I want to get one of those, and then I want to try to see, they have a Touareg there, and I want to try to grab the 17Z brakes off of it if it's still on the car. So we're going to go grab some breakfast, and then we're going to head out there. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, so we found the first Jetta. It's a Mark 5 Jetta. We pulled the rear seats out of it for my car. They're going to be rewrapped, of course, but we got the whole thing of rear seats. The reason I wanted these is because my car doesn't have the fold down cup holder in the back, so I wanted these, and I'll get them rewrapped to match the front seats eventually. So that's a score. So we're going to continue walking around here. There's a couple more Jettas, Mark 5 Jettas. There's a couple Mark 4 Jettas, and then some Beetles. So we're going to go see what all they got. So I want to get these in there and test fitted, and then we'll take them by the upholstery shop hopefully later this week and see how about getting these rewrapped in that maroon. So let's get into putting these in the back. Alright, so there's the top half out of my seats out. Now let's get the bottom out, and then we'll test fit those. Alright, there's the bottom half. Alright, so the bottom of the Jetta seats are going in now. Alright, so the bottom snapped in great. Now let's see if the top half goes in right. Actually fits really good, so let me pull it outside and I'll show y'all what it looks like in there. Alright, so I switched cameras so y'all can get the full effect out here. But here they are swapped in. Now look at that door card. Hopefully it'll get reupholstered with the seats. And I haven't done the seat belts. They fit perfectly. So they're in here looking good. They look great once they get reupholstered. But like I said earlier, here's the nice fold down armrest with these added to it. Cup holder works great. So that's just a nice little touch added right there. And looking really good. And we also actually got in the mail, we actually got a CarPlay radio for the car. So we're going to go ahead and start installing that. I'm really excited about that because right now I just have I'll show you the what they call a Premium 8 for the Rabbit. And it's just the regular old radio for it. So that's all it is. So it has nothing really special about it. So I'm going to install this radio. It'll be a nice little upgrade too. So let's get into that. And that's how it'll look in there. Base is in good shape. All the knobs look brand new. We're good to go. Alright, so then you'll just take your 2 Torx bits out right here. This just, once you do that, this just unclips. Just like that. And you'll have 4 more that are showing that you'll see around the radio. You'll unplug it. And that one's free. Sit that one off to the side. So you'll have your 2, one for the antenna and one for the actual plug in the back. So we'll do that. Plug the antenna in first. Plug this in. Latch that there. And it slides in just like that. Before you finish putting everything back together, just make sure it works. Turns on. Alright, so everything works. We'll start putting everything back together. So you got your 4 screws duke out around the radio. Alright. Then you'll snap this back in place. Make sure it's good and snapped in around everywhere. And put these 2 Torx screws back in. And now we'll snap in upper part. And that snaps back in. And we're good to go. Got the nice new radio installed. Alright, so there you go. We got the rear Jetta seats installed, and then we got the CarPlay radio. So nice 2 little interior upgrades coming together. Hopefully, like I said earlier, we can take the seats by the upholstery shop, see when he can get those done, and get the door cards. I'm going to get the rear seats done, the door cards, and probably the shift boot is the plan for everything getting rewrapped to match the maroon seats up front. So, but I appreciate y'all hanging out. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Y'all have a good one.